30-minute promised battery flight time. In this video, the DJI Mavic Mini Air, we're gonna see if that is true. We're gonna do a battery test. No more talking, let's go inside. Hello guys and welcome again to a new WetalkUAV video. This is Alex with Chivo on the camera. This is a pretty simple video, but hey, I don't believe that this battery lasts up to 30 minutes. So we're gonna see if that is true. I just charged the battery full half an hour ago, so it is 100%. So let's see what happens. We're gonna use a stopwatch, of course. This is what happened. I'm surprised, I must say it. 28 minutes and 6 seconds with 4% left at the battery. It started saying RTH at 15%, but I was canceling all the time on the controller and on my app. And then it held until 4%. At that point, I couldn't stop it anymore and it just flew down. I believe because we were just flying on the same spot, but if you're flying out there probably at 10%, it won't let you fly more and the RTH will start. But as we were close to the starting position at 4%, it just went down. But Jesus Christ, 28 minutes and 6 seconds. I expected like 23 or 24. I'm out of words, but we can confirm one thing here today. DJI's promised 30 minutes are very, very close to true, because until now it was always like, no, 30 minutes, and it were like 23 minutes. But today we made 28.06 for a promised 30 minutes, and we had still a 4% of the battery. So it's pretty awesome. Oh my God, things are changing. What can you do with this battery? Let me know in the comments if you buy this thing, and nothing really else to say. Always remember to keep calm and talk UAV.